Hey everyone, welcome back. By popular request, I'm going to be chugging some soda and burping. Let's see what it looks like when you burp. You see my upper esophageal sphincter open? It's right in the back over here. Let's try again. I'm gonna put that in slow motion. Alright guys, that was kind of gross, but hope you enjoyed it. Bye guys.